Hello, I'm Linda, the boss of the wire processing factory. Do you need to use this kind of wire heat shrinkable tube with baking tube? If you don't have a machine, do you need to thread it by hand and bake it in one of these ovens? We are solving two of your problems with one machine today, and it saves you a lot of labor too. This one is an automatically bakes and threads heat shrink tubing, and it can do 2 lines at the same time up to 3 at the same time, right?
Yes.
Okay, so let's show you how it works. Okay, let's check it out. You see it's still hot. This is baked very tightly. It's hard to go and pull it out if you don't push. Then I'd like to ask, for example, we have this heat shrink tubing. How is it positioned to adjust? Also, is there a range for the length of this heat shrink tubing?
Length range from 5 mm to 100 mm.
Then the location of this heat shrink tubing, for example, now that I'm here, then there may be times when we need to wrap to this terminal location as well.
This place, it is positioned. There are 2 positions in it to make an adjustment.
You have to adjust it manually.
Yes, you need to manually adjust the 2 screws.
Then I'd like to ask what we need to adjust for different wire diameters and different pipe diameters. For example, I need a 6 mm heat shrink tubing right now.
We'll need to change one of our turntables, one of our clamps, and one of our positions.
Okay, so our machine just said that we can do 1000 lines per hour in 1 out of 2.
Yeah, for 1 out of 3, we can do 1500 per hour.
So what's the temperature setting on our baking tubes?
Usually 300 to 350 degrees.
And our machine is very easy to operate. We can see this is our touch screen. English and Chinese systems are available. So what are the general adjustments we have to make to the touch screen of our machines?
Generally, we need to regulate a pressure release, pipelining in this area, manual pipe threading at this locatio, because the cylinder won't open until we press the pressure release. This heat shrink tubing goes in, press reset, and the machine works.
How many stepper motors does this machine have?
2 stepper motors over here.
This is our electrical box. This 2 stepper motor drives. What about this one?
PLC.
What's this?
A switch.
Okay, chained switch. This is meaningless power supply. All our machines come with numbered tubes, so troubleshooting is also particularly easy. What about this one?
Also a power switch. Our drive is 110 volts. Our chassis is 220 volts. Need a conversion.
Okay, thank you.